believe in DEIs.
Isn't that
DEI here?
is that diversity, equality,
Yeah,
and is that
inclusion.
inclusion?
Yeah, I have a feeling you're
I was
the
like,
one
you mean the
here. You're
DEA?
DEI here, dog.
I heard a thing this morning. People were calling it diversity, equality, and what did they say? Insane. I heard someone say that this morning. I don't know, if you're just good at the fucking job, then hire that fucking person to do the job.
That's the right answer. The best person
it's like a
gets the job.
pilot. Who do you want? Who do you want to fly the plane?
Not to be like devil's advocate though. I think like for important jobs like a pilot or a firefighter, that's 100%. But somebody needs to hire the retarded at Walmart. You know what I mean?
I
Like,
will
we
say
need-
one thing though, we
need to hire those special people at places that
Yeah,
are
but
cool.
Walmart was doing that before all
That's
the
what I'm
DEI
saying.
started.
So leave it to fucking Walmart to keep building ones and hire them because we don't need these fools to fucking do fucking fire department work.